Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify store. First, you will need to choose a memorable name for your online shop, something that truly represents your brand. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business requirements. There are typically 3 main plans to consider. Finally, register your custom domain name to give your store a professional and unique web address. This foundational step is crucial for building your online identity. Once your basic setup is complete, it is time to populate your store with products. Make sure to upload high-resolution images and craft engaging descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Group your items into logical collections, such as new arrivals or best sellers, to help customers browse easily. Then, personalize your store's appearance by choosing and customizing a theme that perfectly reflects your brand's aesthetic and values. Now let's focus on the operational backbone of your store, shipping and payments. You will need to carefully configure your shipping rates and define specific zones for both domestic and international deliveries. Next, integrate reliable payment gateways like Shopify Payments or PayPal to ensure your customers can make secure transactions. Finally, accurately set up your tax settings, adhering to all local and regional regulations, which is vital for compliance. With everything in place, it is almost time to launch your store. Before going live, thoroughly review all your settings and perform a few test orders to ensure a smooth customer experience. Once you are confident, announce your grand opening across all your social media channels to generate excitement. Also, implement some basic search engine optimization strategies to help potential customers discover your fantastic new online shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.